everyone. In previous lecture we discussed about the sources of soil pollution, and today we are going to discuss effect of soil pollution. The soil pollution is the another form of land pollution where the upper layer of the soil is damaged, and this is caused by overuse of chemical fertilizer, soil erosion by the running water and the other pest control measure, and un it leads to the unfit for the agricultural, forest cover or the fodder. The effect of soil or land pollution in human health. But considering how soil is the reason we are able to sustain our cells, the contamination of it has major consequence on our health, because the toxic chemicals can reach our body through food vegetables that we eat as they grown in polluted soil. Means the polluted soil, if we grow the vegetables or food on polluted soil, the toxic chemicals can reach in our body, and they lead to problems like skin cancer, human respiratory system, and the long term exposure of such soil can affect the genetic makeup of body, because this is the serious health effect on the human health, and this is the effect due to the soil pollution and due to these toxic pollutants. Then the genetic makeups are also changed and causing a congenital illness and chronic health problem that cannot be cured easily. In fact, it can sicken the liver, stroke, and considerable extent that cause the food poisoning over a long period of time. And the soil pollution can even lead to the plants for the unable growth and the unable nutrition into the plants, and because of this the low nutrients into the vegetables or food, their effects or their nutritious value are getting loose, and because of this they are effect on the human health. Next effect, the effect on growth of plants. The soil pollutants or soil pollution also affect on the growth of plants, because most plant are unable to adapt when the chemistry of soil is changed, because soil presents many number of bacteria, many number of fungi, and these fungi and bacteria found in the soil that bind it together begin to decline, and which create an additional problem to soil erosion. Fertility of soil slowly diminish and making land unsuitable for the consumption, unsuitable for the agriculture and local vegetation to survive. Decreased soil fertility, therefore the decrease in soil yield. And the contaminated soil is used to produce vegetable which lack quality nutrients and may contain some poisonous substance to cause serious health problem in people consuming them. Means pollutants are accumulated in soil and it magnified according to the trophic levels. Means the pollutants are effect on the growth of plant. The effect on the change in soil structure. Soil structures are also changed due to the pollutants, because the pollutants, the death of the many organism, for example the earthworm, because in the soil can lead to the alteration the soil structure. Earthworms are a friend of farmer and it keep the soil fertile, and the because of these organisms are dead, the predator or other organism move to other place for searching a food, and this is the apart from that it could force other predator to move to the other place in search of food. A number of ways have been suggested to the current rate of pollution. Such attempts at cleaning the environment require a plenty time, and sources of which in industry have been given regulation for the disposal of hazardous waste, which aim at minimizing the area that become polluted. And the soil structure is mostly changed because of the industrial pollutants and the artificial fertilizers. So minimum use of these things are required. Then next effect on the poisoning of the underground water table, because the soil pollution also lead to the poisoning of the underground water table. Since this result of water stored beneath the layer of soil, and the toxin in the soils could easily percolate slowly and steadily into the water table because the soil has a permeable nature. And we must also remember that this is water are available for the consumption and uses through the wells, tube wells, and when such toxic water is consumed or used over a period of time, it causes a lot of illness on the human health, and this is a very dangerous. It causes the poisoning. It also causes due to the prolonged consumption of toxic underground water. This disease could be prove be a quite fatal, and the disease like arsenic poisoning, food poisoning, these are due to the if the underground water table are polluted because of these pollutants, and the underground water table are underground water table poisoning due to these pollutants, and this is the major effect on our ecosystem. Next effect of soil pollution is a change in climate pattern. The effect of land pollution are very hazardous, can lead to the loss of ecosystem. The pollution of soil affects its capacity of carbon absorption and causes climate change through the changing temperature, precipitation pattern. The change in climate pattern is due to the also deforestation is the main example. Because of deforestation, land are polluted, and if land are polluted, these are changed through the changing temperature, changing carbon absorption cycle, and the precipitation pattern, and because of this ultimately climate change also seen. Then next effect on toxic dust. Emission of toxic and foul gases from landfills polluted the environment and causes a serious effect on human health of some peoples, because it is also produce air pollution, because its odor or its fume produce air pollution, and these are the serious effect on the human health or people. And another example is the environmental impact. Effect on environmental. What is this environmental impact? Environmental impact, these are the soil is polluted because of deforestation, and deforestation lead to the imbalance of rain cycle. Then trees and plants help to balance the atmosphere, because trees and plants help to the balance atmosphere. Without them, they are subjected to various concerns like global warming, the greenhouse effect, irregular rainfall, and flash flood, among other imbalances. So environmental impact is due to the soil pollution. It is also major effect on our ecosystem. Next is the effect on wildlife. The animal kingdom has suffered mostly in the past decades. They face a serious threat which regards to the loss of habitat and natural environment. The constant human activity on land is living is polluted, forcing these species to move further away and adapt to a new region, or many species are die due to the trying to adjust because they cannot be adjusted in another environment, and several species are pushed to the extinction. Many species are extinct due to the climate change, and because of this the because of this our ecosystem or our the chains are collapse, and the environmental balance are also collapse, because every particular components play an important role in our ecosystem. Then the discharge of chemicals on land, it make dangerous to our ecosystem also. And other issues we face include a temperature, unseasonal weather activity, acid rain, etc. The discharge of chemical on land make it dangerous for the ecosystem too. These chemicals are consumed by animals and plants and thereby make their way in the ecosystem, and this process is called as a biomagnification, and it is a serious threat to our ecology. Means soil pollution is also effect on a wildlife. Then another example, another effect of the soil pollution is a distraction of tourists. The city loses its attraction as a tourist destination, and landfills do not look good when you move around the city. It leads to loss of revenue for the state government. So destruction of tourists due to the not good look our land. Then it also causes air pollution. I told you the emission of pollutants. These emission of pollutants are also cause the air pollution also. The soil pollutions, also soil pollution sources we are seen, and the effect of soil pollutions are also harmful to our ecosystem or effect on the human health or effect on our ecosystem. So it is very dangerous effects on human health. So many ways we can prevent the soil pollution. The soil pollution we can prevent with the help of the reforestation and afforestation should be promoted, because one of the major cause of soil pollution is a soil erosion, and that is caused due to the deforestation. It is a natural that with the ever growing population the humankind need more and more space expand their civilization, and often it is achieved at cost health of the soil. To prevent this from happening, reforestation or deforested areas should be promoted. Also, afforestation should be promoted in the barren lands, because trees are the main source of consuming carbon dioxide. It also prevent the soil erosion. So reforestation and afforestation is most important to prevent soil pollution. Then another way to prevent our soil pollution, reduce use of chemical fertilizer, because chemical fertilizer do more harm than good. While proper amount could enhance the fertility of the soil, and excess of it actually poisonous to the soil, and the excess of chemical fertilizers could pollute the soil in several ways. So minimum fertilizers use, artificial fertilizers use is necessary, because they change the pH of soil and ultimately change the biodiversity. Then way to another way to prevent the soil pollution and its effect to the recycle and reuse the products. These steps not only reduce waste generation but also ensure that soil pollution is reduced, as present plastic form is a significant portion of the generated waste. More often than not, these waste are buried in landfill. The plastics are buried in landfill. So recycle and reuse products should be use use for the reduce the pollutions or any environmental pollution, because these plastics are buried in landfills. So don't use plastics, don't use polythene bag. So these are the prevention ways of reduce the soil pollution. So you are the young generation, so these topics are in our syllabus for the reduction. For the purpose is a objective or purpose is reduction of environmental pollution to your for from your wholesome manner for your behavior. So keep environment clean, it is our responsibility. So here our effect of land pollution and sources of land or soil pollutions is finished. In next lecture we will discuss about the noise pollution. We will start the next topic in next lecture is noise pollution. So today I stop here. Thank you.